Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 CX7 Luxury, stock reference number 4687. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the second month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 2.3 litre L3 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, right hand indicator, left hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door also has 3 small dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror and a right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and the rear headrests and rear seats. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.